which showed me. We're actually from Tiruvalla. We came here to know about this WohlPhysio through the internet. It was a good experience, especially with Ashvisal and his recommendation and the support from Physio. It was a marvelous journey which we traveled, and we had a good experience, and we hope that we recover it very soon. But we have a positive thinkings, and we are doing it in a better way, and we hope that more and more people come with these things. And it was a super journey with all of the staff, especially with the physical trainer Rajesh. He was also a friendly way how he teaches us each and every step, and I think we should spread this to other people to know that okay, how was our experience. It was a marvelous experience with this, basically all the people supporting us from each and every step, from the beginning to the end. And we also hope that all the people use this in the future instead of going for a medication. It's a super journey. Thank you.